In this session, we're going to take a look at adding social media links to Minnesota eFolio. This could be a link to your Twitter page, your Facebook page, perhaps a blog, a Pinterest page, any social media that you would like to link to. So the first thing that we have to do is secure a logo for whatever social media site that you would like to link to. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to google.com and you're going to search for whichever social media site that you would like to link to. So when you search for that, it'll automatically do it by default through the web, but we want you to click on images and then click on whichever image that you would like and then go ahead and save that image to your computer. So that's the first step in doing this. So again, to do that, you go to New Content, and then you're going to click on Upload, and you want to upload the image that you just saved. Okay? And so whichever logo you just saved, get it uploaded similar to how we looked at photos earlier on. I already have a Twitter logo saved, so I'm going to cancel out, but you would hit save if you're doing this for the first time. Once you have that uploaded, the other thing you need to do is add the URL for your Twitter site. So what you would do is you would go to your Twitter site, okay, and so in this case it's Dean Beckman, and go to your profile page, and you're actually going to be copying and pasting that into the Minnesota eFolio. So again, you go to New Content. Now we want to add web content. They do have a specific button on here for Twitter, but for right now, let's ignore that and just click on URL. So we're going to create a new URL, and we have it labeled Dean Beckman's Twitter account. I had done that previously. Under URL type, you want to indicate that it's not the secure site, and then we're going to add the URL in here. Actually, this is an HTTPS. Now, since we have HTTPS here, we do not need to include that here. So we're just going to go to twitter.com/Dean Beckman. Okay. And then we're going to, and that's our URL, so then we're going to hit save. Okay. So we have that saved. Now we want to actually add it to the home page, because remember, we've only put it in our eFolio. We actually haven't added it yet to the home page. You can see that that's previously some of the things that we've worked on. So to add it, we go down here to My Content, which is currently in the lower left. And what we need to do is click on the logo that you added. In this case, I added a Twitter logo, and click on Edit. Once you have it on Edit, then you need to go back to the content and click on your URL content. So for me, that's down here. And click on, now this is the one I just added, but I had previously added one as well. So whichever URL you just added, in this case it was for the Twitter account, you drag that up and place it in the URL box. Okay, again, I've already done that, so I won't do it again. And then you go down here, once you've added it in the URL box, you go down here and hit save. Okay? So now that we have the logo added and the URL added into the logo, we can simply drag this box up and place it wherever we want it on the home page. So for now, we'll put it there. We'll preview it. When we're on the preview page, you click on it, and you can see that will take us to my Twitter page. So really, adding any kind of social media site, whether it's Twitter or Facebook, it's exactly the same kind of process. You just do it exactly like that, and that's how it works out.